4 tips to speed up learning. As you're working with your child, make notes on everything, because that's going to save you time later when you don't have to remember, oh, where were we on this? Or did they really get that? By knowing everything and knowing exactly what you're working for, you're going to save time and be more efficient with your lessons. Set goals. Make them clear so that your student knows exactly what he or she is going for. Something like this. Maybe the weekly goals would be to learn the short E sound, and of course, when they make each of those goals, celebrate, make them feel really, really good, and they'll be generally pretty motivated to keep going because they feel pretty good about themselves. And make sure the goals are small and that they're very realistic so that the kid can get like a real win off of that. Little rewards at the end are great. It could be as little as a sticker. It doesn't have to be a huge deal, just something that they'll like. And knowing that they have that little reward at the end is going to make them work harder and motivate them. One way to be super efficient is you seize every possible moment to quiz them. Like they're about to get a glass of water. So you say, oh, wait, what's the sound of C? Or, oh, wait, what was the sound of W? Oh, okay, wait, what was that letter? And you just quiz them and you do it throughout the day. And this keeps those things constantly fresh in their mind. And also the more you practice using something, the more it cements it in their mind. And the great thing about this is you're doing it off your lesson time. So you're just getting it in every chance you can get and making the most out of all the time you have. Another way to make things more efficient is like a little reward system. Make they earn things before they take a break or play break or something that they want to do. You would have to do these questions ahead of time. You kind of have to know them, know what you want to work on. Let's just say that they want to go play on the swing and then they have to pass and they have to answer these 3 questions. And make them fun. Like, what does that start with? What's the sound of that item there? Maybe it's a book or a door. They have to tell you the beginning sound to it. And then you might want to throw in a silly little question at the end. How many hairs on my head? Just make it fun. So it's not a total chore, because if you're making them work all the time for everything, it could be a little bit of a pain for them. Follow for more teaching tips.